This is the first video in this new series called What the Hell is an NFT? Hey there, my name is Joshua Marchant and I am an NFT creator. NFTs stand for non-fungible token. It is a digital image that you copyrighted on a blockchain. Now I will go more into blockchains later on, but think of NFTs as a collectible item in a digital world. NFTs can be pretty much anything from characters to art to even videos. As long as it is digital, it can become an NFT. For example, if I wanted to sell this design and didn't want it stolen, then turn it into an NFT. That image is now safe to sell because that image now belongs on the blockchain. Again, I will speak more on blockchains later in this series, so make sure you're following me to stay up to date on the latest videos that come out on NFTs. If you want to know more about NFTs, there are a ton of videos about them on YouTube. I recommend Whiteboard Crypto. I am not affiliated with him, it's just how I learned. My next video, I'll talk about the different kinds of NFTs. I want to point out that these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant to be financial advice. Make sure before you invest in any NFTs or crypto, you do your own research.